In front of me is Honorpad V9 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Google. Then hit All Services. Scroll down to tap on Autofill with Google here. And finally, after tapping on Google Password Manager, select any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and click on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!